In this video, we'll show you how to change the headlights on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic rivet from the rubber cover. Using a fork, remove the rivet. Then take off the cover. Then you will have access to the 3 headlight retaining bolts. Unscrew the 3 bolts using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now carefully remove the headlight, making small lateral back and forward movements. Remove the electrical connectors of the turn signal bulb, the high and low beam bulb, and the side marker light bulb. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the connectors. Remove the headlight. You can order the headlight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new headlight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Reconnect the power connectors. Put the headlight back in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly into the car body. Screw the 3 headlight retaining bolts back on. Put the plastic cover back on. Then put the rivet back in. Operation complete.